Jai Hind students, I am Shashi Kumar Seth. Today I am going to start decimal part 3rd of class 7, and today we will start division. Look at here, our first question is divide 131.6 divided by 10. Look at here, student, in case of a 10, shifting decimal point to the left by 1 place. So here decimal, you will shift this decimal here. That's why your answer 13.16. In case of only 10, in case of 100, shifting decimal point to the left by 2 places. Look at 137.2 divided by 100 is equal to, you will shift this decimal after 2 digits 1 and 2. Clear? 1.372. This is your answer. Clear, students? And here 1000, shifting decimal point 3 digit. Look at 1286.5 अपॉन 1000. आपको डेसिमल अब क्या करनी है, लेफ्ट साइड में 3 डिजिट बार पुट करने हैं. सो 1 डिजिट, 2 डिजिट, 3 डिजिट. क्लियर? एंड यू विल राइट हियर 1.2865. Clear, student? This is your answer. And look at here, 16.46 by 20. Firstly, you will write 16.46 by 20. Student, we can write this question in this form also. 2 into 10. Clear? Because 2 tens are 20. Clear? And 2 divided by this number. Clear, this one? 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Clear? That means 8.23 upon 10. See this is a question of first type. Clear? And you will shift decimal left 1 digit 1 place, 0.823. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? यहाँ पे 10 है तो हम लोग डेसिमल क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड में क्या करेंगे, शिफ्ट कर देंगे. एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन 3.28 बाई 0.8. 3.28 divided by 0.8. Here student, in case of here denominator point. Clear? यहाँ पे denominator हमारा क्या है, point में है. And after decimal here 1 digit, that's why you will multiply by 10. Clear? With denominator and numerator. आपको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने होंगे न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में. 3.28 अपॉन 0.8 मल्टीप्लाई 10. Clear, student? And write this number, multiply this number 32.8 upon multiply 8. Clear, student? And divide this number. And you will write here 832.8. Clear, student? 8 divided by 32.8. 8 4 ja 32. You will write here 32. and 2 subtracted from 2 cancel, 3 subtracted from 3 cancel, and here decimal, that's why you will put here decimal, and write here age, 8 1 जा 8, this is your answer 4.1. clear student? 4.1. and question number 6, 47 by 20. look at here, 47 by 20. you can do this question, this method or this. clear? you can use any method. here 47 divided by 20, 22 ja 40, you will write here 2 and here 40. 7 subtracted from 0 we get 7. Student, look at here, 20 not divided by 7, that's why you will put here decimal and here 0. clear? 2 3 ja 20, 3 ja 60, and here 10. you will put 1 0, 25 is 100. so this is your answer. clear? now I am going to start next questions. The students see these questions. A car covers a distance of 22.8 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So this is a division. Firstly, you will write the statement. Distance covered by car with 2.4 liter of petrol is equal to 22.8 kilometer, and after the second statement is the distance covered with 1 liter of petrol is equal to 22.8 divided by 2.4 kilometer. This one look at here, after decimal here 1 digit and here also after decimal 1 digit. So decimal to decimal cancel. clear? After dividing you will write the answer 9.5. clear student? You can divide in graph form. clear? and write the answer. Distance covered by car with 1 liter petrol is 9.5 kilometer. clear student? 9.5 kilometer. thank you students.